Hey everyone, my name is Yograj Sikka. I'm student of Center for Global Education at Chitkara University in collaboration with Deakin University, Australia. So, today I'm demonstrating my project, which is AI Career Intelligence Systems using the DevOps pipeline. This is a smart job matching systems. The main work of this project, which we had made here, is just a user enter their skill and then this project shows them the suitable jobs along with the readiness scores, and the aim of this project is to make job searching easier and faster with using the automation tools. So now let's discuss about the project. So my project is basically an AI skill to job matcher and career readiness platform here. So it takes the skill given by the user, matches them with the available jobs over there, and give useful information like job suggestion, job fit score to them. And also it has an option for the AI interview option, which the AI will take your interview and gives you score according to your answer and tell you how much ready you are for your job performance. So it is built using the Python, in which I had used many things like Flask. I had used Docker and the REST APIs for the endpoints. So in this there are almost five endpoints. First one is for their health, then another is for their matching, then another for his metrics, and another jobs and the stats. So basically, let's discuss about how we had implemented our DevOps pipeline. So our DevOps pipeline is an automatic factory line for our code, which we had used here for this project. So whenever the new code is pushed on the GitHub using the push command, the pipeline itself take care of the app to build, test it, checking the code quality, scanning security, deploying, releasing it, and then at last monitoring of it. Basically, instead of doing everything manually, the process becomes the automatic and fast. I will show you my working as well. So as you can see, this is my pipeline which had run all through that. This is my pipeline number 229. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly. I will show you more in more details afterwards. So as you can see, here are the tools which I had used for our project. Jenkins, firstly I had used Jenkins for CI/CD automation, which automates all the process of the project, from the continuous integration to the continuous delivery over there. After that, we had used the GitHub to store the code, Docker to deploy and package all the app in the containers, SonarQube to check the code quality, Bandit and Pip audit to check the security over there, and PyTest to run automated tests, and Flake8 check the code style in it. So all these tools together make the strong profile and the strong project too, and this leads to a professional project over there. In this, I had discussed about all my stages like stage 1 and stage 2, which are build and test. In this stage, the code is first built and then tested. The code is compiled and a Docker is created over there. In my project, the Docker size was 261 MB, which was further before that it was 319 MB. I had implemented it and some used some features to make it 261 and reduce the size of Docker image. After that, there are 12 automated tests that were run, and all of them were passed over there. This proves that the application is working perfectly and smoothly. So now let's discuss about the stage 3 and stage 4, which is code quality and security. After testing, the pipeline checks the code quality and security. For quality, there is given various things like Flake8, which had found zero issues. SonarQube also showed zero bugs and zero vulnerabilities. And then the quality gateway has passed over there. So for security, Bandit was scanned 839 lines of the code and found no issues over there. Then people did confirm that there were no vulnerabilities in our dependencies or in our working project. So after that, there is stage 5, 6 and 7, which is deploy, release and monitor. In this deploy stage, the port is running inside a Docker container on the port number 5000, which I will show you in my video as well. The secret key is hidden in the logs, which is good DevSecOps practice in this, which is very good for the being a good programmer over there. In the release stage, there are three Docker stage tags, which are version tag, latest tag and the production tag. In monitor stage, the app is checked using the health and the performance checks, in which we had made the 10 point before. So the health response was 200. Okay, the response was zero. This response was taken the time of 0.009 seconds over there, and the memory usage was only 0.80%, which is very good for our feature, good for our project. So beyond all these things, I had made various features like two security scanners, SLA enforcement, SonarCube REST API, Clean WS, no cache, custom metrics, three-tier docking tagging system, and the secret masking in the pipeline logs over there. So after that, I will show you my live pipeline, which I had built the pipeline to hashtag 29. So wait for it, I will show you that as well. So if you want any query, or if you want to see my GitHub repository, you can go to my GitHub link given over there, and the demo video is also given over there, which is the complete demo of my project with the working of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.